Hi, I'm Craig O'Neal with FLIR. I'm here to introduce you to geometric area calculation, an important feature of the latest FLIR T-Series thermal imaging cameras. Geometric area calculation uses the laser distance meter to determine the area inside a defined box on your screen. You can literally measure an area of a target without getting out your tape measure or calculator. A typical use for this feature is to estimate the size of a damp area on a wall or even an area that's missing insulation, which can help you to gauge energy loss. But there are many other uses for this unique feature. Here's how it works. First, go into your camera and into the settings. Choose Device Settings and then Lamp and Laser. Here you want to make sure that you enable the lamp and the laser. Now you will back out of the device settings and go into Save Options and Storage. Make sure that the measure distance is turned on. Now, to measure area, tap the Menu System button. This looks like 3 dots on the bottom of your screen. Then tap the Measurement button. Choose one of the temperature measurement boxes. These are called Hot Spot or Cold Spot. Now, tap the box edge on the screen to modify the size. You'll want to make sure that it covers your entire target. Next, hold down one of the corners of the box. This makes the box menu pop up on the screen. In the box menu, you can select Max, Min, Average, then select Area. You have to select Area to make sure that the area measurement works. Close the menu and then focus on your target. Then press the laser button on the bottom of the camera. The camera will display both the distance measurement and the area inside your measurement box. To find out more about the latest features of the FLIR T-Series thermal imaging cameras, visit FLIR.com.